We love Hakka。
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for another round of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month we're teaching you the phrase when 什么时候？
意思。
有没有感觉我今天很热血？
对啊，你想做什么？
什么时候我们一起去爬山？我最近迷上爬山了。
真的哦，
Yeah.
那就这个礼拜六出发。
是不是？对 ，exactly. This fits right into the phrase we're teaching you this whole month. When I'm asking Alice, when should we go climb or go hike? Because I'm into hiking these days. 最近还蛮喜欢爬山，我们来听一个这样的对话好了。
我kiung下來去客山嗎？
好啊，幾時去？
也這禮拜六出發。
OK， 听起来我想要一起去跟他们去。对啊，礼拜六要出发了，对不对？Okay, I want to go with them. Let's break down the phrases one by one here, okay? First of all, someone asking, do you want to go hike together or go climb a mountain together, right? 你要一起去爬山吗？
我kiung下來去客山嗎？
我kiung下來去客山嗎？OK， 客山就是爬山，要不要一起啊？就是 kiung 下來去，就是一起来去就对了，
对，
对不对？
一起去咯，kiung 下來去。
kiung 下來去 OK, do you want to go climb a mountain with me? Or in other words, go hike with me together? All right. 好啊，什么时候要去 Sure. When are we going?
好啊，
好啊，
幾時愛去？
幾時愛去？
好啊，幾時愛去？
Now you know how to say that, right? 幾時 that means when, 愛去 going. When are we going? Okay, 這個星期六出發 This Saturday, we're gonna go.
也這禮拜六出發。
也這禮拜六出發 Okay, 出發就是出發 That means to depart. Okay, it's a more serious term to say let's just go on Saturday. But to depart on Saturday, 星期六
禮拜六。
禮拜六 What a great conversation about hiking. Let's take out some of the words to teach you them again, such as hiking or climb a mountain. That's what it literally is in Mandarin and Hakka. 爬山
客山。
客山 And then Saturday, 星期六
禮拜六。
禮拜六或者是禮拜天的話是
禮拜日。
禮拜日 Okay, because most people probably hike on the weekends. That's Sunday and Saturday. And then to depart, to go, 出發
出發。
出發 Okay, let's hear this conversation again.
我kiung下來去客山嗎？
好啊，幾時去？
也這禮拜六出發。
So go hiking. There are a lot of great hiking trails here in Taiwan now. If you have a chance, go try it out. And again, this whole month we're teaching you the phrase when 什麼時候
幾時？
幾時 And there you have it. It's another round of Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.